County in northern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Society Hill or over New Brunswick, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Sandville, Carteret, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Colonial, Society Hill, North Brunswick Township, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, Highland Park, Metuchen, Dunlin, South Bound Brook, Easterling, and so on. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 12. Dresden State Parkway between mile markers 123 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset.